Hello, I'm Eduardo and welcome to Spanish from Scratch. In this video, I will be teaching you how to use the first conditional in Spanish. So, after this class, you will be able to say phrases like, if you cool water, it freezes. If you mix yellow and blue, you get green. If you do exercise, you get in shape. So in today's video, we will be focusing on the conditional if in Spanish, okay? So let's jump right into the whiteboard. Very well, here we are. And well, in today's lesson, we are going to be learning a tense that is called causa y efecto. Literally, it means cause and effect in Spanish. So we are going to be talking about things that has an effect in the phrases like, if you heat water, it boils. Or if you do this, that happens. That is what we call cause and effect in Spanish. Let's go with example number 1. We have, si estudias todos los días, aprendes más rápido. One more time. Si estudias todos los días, aprendes más rápido. So we have si. So si is the conditional in Spanish, okay? Si means if. So let's repeat. Si, if. Now we have the first verb, estudias. Estudias is in the present, in a normal present form. So we say, si estudias todos los días, if you study every day. And aprendes más rápido. Aprender, to learn. So it's, if you study every day, you learn faster. Let's go with example number 2. Si haces ejercicio, bajas de peso. Let's repeat that together. Si haces ejercicio, bajas de peso. So if you do exercise, you lose weight. Same structure. Si haces, if you do, bajas, you lose weight. Vamos con el ejemplo número 3. Let's do example number 3. Si no practicas, no mejoras. One more time. Si no practicas, no mejoras. So we have again the conditional si, and we have the word no. So si no means if you don't. So you say if you don't practice. Si no practicas, and no mejoras. You don't get better. So let's repeat one more time. Si no practicas, no mejoras. Now let's see that in this, same as in all the tenses, in the negative form we just need to put a no to say, si no this, no that. If you don't this, you don't that. And the verbs are normally in the conjugation for the subject to, you. Okay? Now, we can see in these guys that we normally use this tense to talk about universal truths. Okay? Or the direct effect of an action. With a universal truth, I mean something like this. We have the water, and we say, si calientas agua, se evapora. One more time. Si calientas agua, se evapora. If you heat water, it evaporates. Decimos, si enfrías agua, se congela. One more time. Si enfrías agua, se congela. So if you cool water, it freezes. So this is a universal truth, okay? Let's go with example number 2. Now, we all know this, right? We have blue, yellow, and green. So we are going to be using the verb to mix. Now, to mix in Spanish can be 2 verbs. We can say combinar or mezclar. And we say, if you mix yellow and blue, you get green. We say, si combinas azul y amarillo, obtienes verde. Otra vez, si combinas azul y amarillo, obtienes verde. Entonces, to say you get green, you can say you obtain green in Spanish. So, obtienes verde. What about this one? So we say, si mezclas azul y rojo, obtienes morado. One more time. Si mezclas azul y rojo, obtienes morado. If you mix blue and red, you get purple. What about this one? So we say, si mezclas or si combinas rojo y negro, obtienes marrón. One more time, guys. Si mezclas rojo y negro, obtienes marrón. Pretty easy so far, right? Let's go with this one. So we have amarillo, we have rojo, and we have naranja. So we say, si mezclas amarillo y rojo, obtienes naranja. One more time. Si mezclas amarillo y rojo, obtienes naranja. Now we have rojo, we have blanco, and we have rosado. So we say, si mezclas rojo y blanco, obtienes rosado. Otra vez, si mezclas rojo y blanco, obtienes rosado. So if you mix red and white, you get pink. Also, we can be talking about a direct effect that an action has. For example, guys, what happens when you do a lot of exercise and also you start eating better? You start eating vegetables. So eventually you get in shape, right? So we say, si haces ejercicio y dieta, te pones en forma. One more time. Si haces ejercicio y dieta, te pones en forma. So if you do exercise and diet, te pones en forma. This is a phrasal verb. Ponerse en forma means to get in shape. Let's go with the next example. So in my city, guys, normally we are in 100 to 110 Fahrenheit, so it's a very hot city. And what happens when it's very hot? We sweat, right? So we can say, cuando hace calor, yo sudo mucho. One more time. Cuando hace calor, yo sudo mucho. So this is a little different because now I'm talking about me, but I'm using the cause and effect. So we can also use the word cuando, and we can say, when it's very hot, I sweat a lot. So cuando hace calor, yo sudo mucho. One more time. Cuando hace calor, yo sudo mucho. Now let's go with this one. What happens when you drink a lot? Entonces decimos, cuando tomas alcohol en exceso, te emborrachas. Otra vez, cuando tomas alcohol en exceso, te emborrachas. So when you drink alcohol a lot, you get drunk. Emborracharse is to get drunk. Ahora, what happens, guys, when you study different languages? Eventually, you learn how the people of that country, of the target language, thinks, how they behave, what they like, their preferences, etc. So we can say, cuando aprendes otro idioma, tu forma de pensar cambia. One more time. Cuando aprendes otro idioma, tu forma de pensar cambia. So when you learn another language, your way of thinking changes. Okay? So this is the first conditional in Spanish, guys. Is the conditional si. And we can use it even to ask questions. If I say, what do you do if you have free time? I could say, ¿qué haces si tienes tiempo libre? Etc. Or we can also use it when we were talking to a friend and we give advice. We say, if you do that, something bad is going to happen. Si haces eso, algo malo va a pasar, etc. So if you find this video useful, guys, I hope that you give it a like and that you share this video with all the people you think that might be interested in learning Spanish. Also remember that I am an online Spanish teacher, so if you wish to take lessons with me, I will link down my teacher's profile in the comments down below. So I hope you have a terrific day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.